Hey everyone, in this experiment, in this video, and we will do some chemical reactions and physical change. And what's the chemical change and physical change? What's chemical reaction? And if a change involves the new substance produced, then that is a chemical change. If before and after the reaction, there's no new substance that has been created or produced, that is a physical change. And in today's experiment, we will do some we will make some observation and determine which reaction is chemical change, which is physical change. Okay, this is the Bunsen burner, and in the previous video I already showed you how to use it and what is the hot flame and what is a cool flame. And now I already adjust to a hot flame, which has two layers of the flame. It has an inner cone. And I also told you before that for the two layers on the top of the inner core is the hottest spot of the hot flame. And okay, let's do the experiment A. I need to ignite a piece of magnesium strip. And when you do this experiment, and you don't want to look directly when the magnesium is burning, because it's gonna be super bright. And here we go. You need to make observation what before and after change and determine is a chemical change or is a physical change. By the reaction, have a look at the what it looks like after the reaction. I will show one piece that before the reaction. Okay, after reaction looks like this. I forget to show you before the reaction is a piece of magnesium. Okay, what this looks like before and compared to what is after. Make the observation that help determine is this reaction is a chemical change or is a physical change. This is part A of the experiment, the burning magnesium ribbon. And the second part, experiment B, is simple. Everybody have the experience ignite a paper match. Okay, so if when we use the Bunsen burner, ignite Bunsen burner, I use this paper mat. This is before the reaction, before the burning. Okay, so this is the during the reaction. Okay, now after the reaction, have a look at the match and determine is a chemical change or is a physical change. Remember, the only thing help you determine physical change or chemical change is, do you see new stuff, new substance? Okay, part C of the experiment. I have the flame test wire. It's nickel wire. Okay, I have this wire, and when I put this on the flame, it gonna get glue hot. Okay, see, so hot. It's hard to show here. Okay, can you see that glue hot? Okay, and if I remove it, it's back to like this. I need to find something to show you. Okay, before it looks like this. And after I heat it, you see that? Hot glue. And after I remove from the flame, it's back to this again. This is part 3 of the part C of the experiment. Part 4 of the experiment, which is D, part D of the experiment. Examine an iron nail. Okay, so I have some trouble to open the jar of the nail, and you can see before I put soaking the nail into the chemical solution, it's very shiny and clean and shining. There's nothing on top of the nail, and if I soak in this into sodium chloride, which is salt, sodium chloride, and water, which is salt water, and you can see what the nail looks like now. It's not shining anymore, and it produces a lot of rust. Okay, so you need to determine this is a chemical change or physical change. And we will continue